Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are good. You are watching Healthy Lifestyle with Naima Shaikh. Please do subscribe my channel. Those who are new on my channel, please do subscribe first. Come on, now move towards our topics. Today's our topic is very interesting. Vitamin E. Vitamin E basically work as anti-inflammatory and antioxidant in our body, which is very essential for our health, for our hairs, for our skin. Vitamin E plays very healthy role in our body. Vitamin E is a nutrient that's important to vision, reproduction, and the health of our blood, brain, and skin, and as well as for our healthy and shiny hairs. If you are searching for a glowing and shiny skin, so vitamin E has been considered an anti-inflammatory agent in the skin, जो आपके स्किन के अंदर डेड सेल्स को डैमेज कर देता है और आपकी स्किन को एक न्यू ग्लो दे देता है. And for the healthy and volumized hairs, vitamin E has been shown to increase capillary circulation in the scalp. Vitamins' antioxidant properties could help reduce the amount of oxidative stress and free radicals that cause the hair follicle cells in a person's scalp to break down. जो आपके hairs को grow करने में, उनकी care करने में, आपके हेयर्स को शाइनी करने में, उनको सिल्की करने में बहुत ज़्यादा मेन रोल प्ले करता है. देयर इज़ मैनी फूड सोर्सेज ऑफ वाइटामिन ई. आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट it in my previous video, so you can have a look on that. But if we talk about the capsules of vitamin E, the Evion is the very best choice. But in this there is 400 mg and 600 mg, so we have to take care of it, that we are taking 400 for what and 600 for what. It varies according to conditions and the age. Yes, of course, you can use Evion for your hair fall. It repairs the damage of hair follicles and reduces its inflammation. Mainly, it improves the transport of nutrients through the cell, resulting in the reduction of hair falls. So, it results in volumized and straight and silky hairs. You can also apply Evion capsules on your face. It works as cleansing also, moisturizer also, and you can also apply it under eye mask as an under eye mask. It nourishes the skin, act as the moisturizer, used in dark circles around the eyes, act as a cleansing also hydrate and gives glowing skin. So you can also apply it on your skin. Many people ask what to do with acne scars. So Evion is very good acne mask as well, also helps in treating acne as well as fading away scars and ugly pimples mask. It contains tocopherol acetate in gelatin form. Basically tocopherol acetate जो chemical हमारे पास है, it is a natural chemical compound that is rich in antioxidant which do removes our spots on our skin. If you are over 50, though you are a man or woman, so I advise you to use vitamin E for skin whitening. This fat soluble oxidants reduce the effect of free radicals and shields the skin against damage caused by the sun UV radiation. It also makes the skin nourished, hydrated, and more radiant. If your skin is damaged by the sun UV radiation, so the anti-properties of the vitamin E reduces the effect of free radicals and protect your skin against the damage caused by the sun UV radiations. So do take your vitamin properly, and vitamin E is very good for your health, for your skin, and for your hairs. Hope you like my video. If you have any query or any questions, so you may comment. Do like, subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.